you ever wondered how many trees we could cut down for timber or to plant crops before the world will become a radically different place? Or how many pollinating species need to go extinct before some of our agricultural industries would collapse? These types of questions focus on the idea of limits. Limits to the ecological changes humans can cause on the planet and still prosper. Exploring these questions is critical because our planet is under pressure from an increasing array of human impacts. The result is large-scale environmental change and the danger that different aspects of the environment which support our well-being and prosperity may be destroyed. Understanding these changes and how they are likely to affect us is a considerable challenge and has led to the development of 9 planetary boundaries, or limits, to guide the way we govern and care for the Earth. So what is a planetary boundary? It's a value that if we cross, we're at risk of causing devastating and potentially irreversible damage to our planet. For example, if we take the boundary for land use change, the focus is global forest cover, and the boundary or limit is set at 75% of that global forest cover. Any further loss of forest is likely to have large-scale implications for our climate. It is thought that by staying within these limits, we will continue to live on a planet that has the capacity to support a healthy human society. The Planetary Boundaries framework has captured the imagination of many within the scientific community and of policymakers. As a result, the ideas have been incorporated into international agreements, such as the Sustainable Development Goals, and have the potential to shape environmental policy worldwide. Planetary boundaries bring together knowledge from across the biological, physical, and social sciences. But to date, much of the research on the boundaries has focused on the land and land-based changes, with less focus on marine systems. Why does this matter? Because the marine environment covers over 70% of the Earth's surface. It is ecologically and structurally different to the terrestrial environment, and human society is reliant on marine systems for a range of irreplaceable services, such as the storage of fossil fuel emissions and for food. So what does this all mean? By having a planetary boundaries framework that is more focused on land than on sea, we may be developing international policy that does not account for important environmental changes that will have far-reaching negative impacts on our well-being. My research explores planetary boundaries from a marine perspective, asking how our understanding of the boundaries might change with a stronger emphasis on marine systems, and how these changes may affect our ability as a society to live within these limits now and into the future.